So I've got a new fractal distance estimator here. Kind of a cool test bed for these effects. So this is from a friend on Discord. And so we've got some interesting kind of things to play with now. Let's go ahead and kind of saturate these a little bit more. Start off RGB. So something I realized going through my code is that this time what I had done was actually the lighting calculations are just visibility, so there's no surface properties taken into account, which makes it a very limited lighting model. It's just lit or unlit. So that's today's project is implementing Phong shading, and then also probably after that, what else? Oh, the bit crush dithering algorithm, which I have a plan for now. So basically, so I don't know if I've gone through the color spaces yet. I have them all, I have all the infrastructure and everything implemented for that. So now I've got sRGB, which uses some, I think, 2.2 gamma value. XYZ. Now, in some of these, varying through the bit depth, there's some really wild shifts that happen. You know, and some of them I don't quite understand, but I think it has to do with sign values, right, as in plus or minus. And how some of those kinds of things are being affected. But you can get some really cool effects. Some kind of wash everything out like that. But there's a couple that trying to think. Okay, yeah, we'll get to those. The Chroma Max and Oak Lab color spaces are very cool. I've gotten some cool results out of those. Wild. But so yeah, a lot of these just kind of go to like this kind of a thing when you go to the lowest possible bit depth. But yeah, I'm really finding some cool stuff here, I think. This is a really awesome distance estimator, kind of an Apollonian fractal kind of idea. But yeah, so I don't know exactly what BCH is. I found code for it. And it's documented in that header that I put together. But yeah, it's real interesting effects here. Now, okay, so Chroma Max is an interesting color space. It's 4-channel, so it's doesn't exactly square with a lot of the other color spaces, but it does something to maximize the use of the precision in the selected, well, in each of the sort of red, green, and blue chroma values. Beyond that, I don't really understand it super well. There's some scaling by a maximum value that's in there. Then OCLAB is something for blending, mostly, but getting some cool kind of stuff out of that. I think the author of the OCLAB thing, it says it's for situations like where you want predictable blending between different colors. Which is where the pink is coming from. It's from the orange. Oh, it's the mixing of the blue and the orange, okay. But yeah, like I say, today is Phong lighting and also a couple other things. So yeah, these, right, so right now it's, yeah, just checking visibility of the light, and there's no depth or distance considerations. I'm gonna flip back around because my arrow keys are inverted. But yeah, these are just kind of a 3D Apollonian gasket kind of operation. But yeah, that's pretty much what's implemented right now.